just gonna test a couple of features, and especially this AI extend. Let's try that. How about we try that? Okay, let's go to media. I'm just gonna import a couple of media files and see what happens. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag and drop this video. It's just a video that I previously created. It's actually a short. This is the video, just me chilling, and there's a photo here pulsating. Okay, let's try the AI extend. What does that do? Is that how you use it? No, that's just stretches the video. Did you see it here? Yep, AI extend. Okay, so how long did it? That's an 8-second video. Let's see what happens here. So now it's creating the generated AI video. So it's roughly 8 seconds. I'm assuming it uses VO3. Gets the last image of the video, and then you try to generate it. Let's see what it comes up with. Okay, I think you got to describe something here. Okay, so it looks like it says the AI creating, and I thought it was going to do something. Say, make the shoes change to rocket launches. Let's see if this makes sense. What's camera movement? Zoom out. So it's going to use, you got to have AI credits. So this one's going to use 500 AI credits. Oh, that's quite a lot. It also make sure that you agree to using this AI agreement or commit to using AI generated content legally with the scope of applicable laws. So just make sure that you're not generating something that is illegal. So I'm going to use the 500 credits. Seems quite a lot, but this is a test. I have 1500 credits left. I'm only going to do this once. Obviously, it's going to take a lot of credits, and sometimes what I found is that if you generated it and you're not happy with it, you got to spend another 500 credits, or you got to use up the credits again. So you just got to be careful with that. I mean, you can also improve the prompting. So what I suggest maybe that you do is, for the prompt here, use another tool to improve this prompt. You may want to make it longer. You've got a limit of 200 characters here, so just try to improve this prompt. Obviously, I didn't spend too much time. I just wanted to test this, so that it would also help you with generating something more useful, and it will also not waste your 500 AI credits. You can also click up here to task list and check how it's progressing. So it's done at 53% now. So this is the video extend. Now I'll be surprised whether the generated AI image is actually something that is very useful. First go probably will not be useful. Obviously I'm testing this out, but as I mentioned before, if you create an actual useful prompt, the generated AI image or video will actually be a lot better. So that'll be my recommendation. It's going to take a little while. We'll just let it run. So the interface looks very similar to version 14. It's just, I guess, the new features that are added, just like this with AI extend. The interface still looks the same. I guess you can do also some editing whilst that's running in the background, the video extend. So let me have a look at some of the other features. Extend, it's also got the option extend forward. Okay, that's interesting. And it says here add video. Hopefully that didn't cause any issues. Oh no, maybe I completed. Okay, so let's have a look what it did here. Okay, so this is the new extended video. Let's play it. Okay, it looks like I'm moving my head. Okay, I've got a rocket here. Oh, that's interesting. I wanted to make the shoes turn into a rocket, but obviously that didn't work. So that's why I mentioned that you need to ensure that you use the correct prompt and improve the prompt. But as you can see, there's one thing here that looks like, I'm not sure why this is there. It's probably from another video, since using the emblem of that. But as you can see, it looks pretty real. The hat, one thing I noticed is the hat at the top here, that also has changed. There's a different logo. In terms of face, yeah, that's all looks the same. Besides the logos. The rocket looks pretty real. Now just lifting up the rocket, that looks pretty real as well. And then I'm not sure why it's folding those arms, but yeah, okay. So I guess you can keep going as well. So should I use another 500 AI credits? Yeah, why not, I guess. Okay, I'm going to extend this again. And then here, I'm going to say launch the rocket to the moon. So if you want to be more descriptive, make it look like the bottom of the rocket. Let's see, try this. And the shoes are burnt and turn black. Okay, let's see what happens with this. There goes another 500. This is what I mean. Unless you've got a limited credits, then you might be able to just keep playing around with this, but this will be my last one. Don't want to keep using my AI credits. And let's have a look here. Okay, it's going to go through and extend the video. And let's see what it comes up with. So a very nice experiment to do, but just got to keep in mind about using the AI credits. Okay, so let's see what happens now. It's generated the video. Okay, I'm going to play it and see what happens. Okay, oh, look at that. Okay, that's not bad. So it's going up in the air. The hands are moving. Okay, so that's why I mentioned that if you be more specific with your prompt, the better. So it's a nice feature to have. Just keep in mind the AI credits, and I hope this video helped.